AWS offers a wide range of storage services, each tailored for different use cases, from hosting web applications and data lakes to archiving backups and recovering workloads. Choosing the right storage solution depends on your performance needs, durability expectations, and how your data will be accessed over time. In this section, we'll focus on Amazon S3, Simple Storage Service. This is the most widely used storage service on AWS. It's versatile, scalable, and perfect for storing files, logs, media, backups, and so much more. Whether you're hosting a static website, managing large datasets, or integrating with other AWS services, S3 is often the first stop in your cloud storage journey. Later in this module, we'll take a bird's eye view of other storage services and mention when you might use them. But for now, let's roll up our sleeves and get hands-on with S3.